Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Max Iron. First, let's get started with the initial setup. Carefully unpack your Max Iron device and identify all the included components. Next, securely connect the power cable to the device and then to a suitable power outlet. Remember to fill the water reservoir to its maximum fill line for optimal steam performance. Finally, attach your preferred ironing plate firmly until you hear a clear click, ensuring it's properly secured for safe operation. Now let's explore the Max Iron's versatile operating modes. You can choose from 3 distinct temperature settings, perfect for tailoring to different fabric types, from delicate silks to sturdy denims. For those persistent wrinkles, activate the continuous steam function. And for an extra powerful boost, simply press the button for a burst of steam. For your safety and energy efficiency, the device features an auto shutoff that engages after 8 minutes of inactivity. Proper maintenance ensures your Max Iron performs at its best for years to come. After each use, always remember to empty the water reservoir completely. To prevent mineral buildup and maintain optimal steam, utilize the self-clean function once every month. When the device is cool, gently wipe the ironing plate with a damp cloth to remove any residue. Finally, store your Max Iron upright in a dry, safe place, away from any potential hazards. Let's dive into some advanced features and quick troubleshooting tips. The integrated anti-drip system is a fantastic feature, preventing unsightly water stains on your most delicate garments. Plus, the extra-long 3-meter power cord provides incredible flexibility and reach. If you notice low steam output, first check the water level, then consider descaling the device. For any specific error codes or persistent issues, always consult your user manual for detailed guidance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.